We, the students of SBA Vidya Kendra, have done a project using ultrasonic sensor and Arduino.
On behalf of SBA Vidya Kendra, we welcome you all to our channel.
In this project, we are going to demonstrate an automatic gate barrier using LED bulbs and some distance measurement.
We have given the link in the description to buy the required materials for this project. This is the project that we have done. Ultrasonic sensor have two parts. One is transmitter, another one is receiver. The transmitter sends the ultrasound waves whenever an obstacle is detected by the ultrasonic sensor. The receiver sends a signal to the Arduino. The gate barrier opens.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and support our channel.